Please come. Pratima Pradhan.
Again.
Interview dogu to.
Yes.
Take your seat.
Thank you.
You are continuing in agronomy?
Yes, sir.
In which discipline you are PG continuing?
Agricultural meteorology.
Agricultural extension, nahi? It is लिखा कथा ना
Metrology.
meteorology.
Again.
Meteorology. You are student of Amaresh Media.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what am I going to say?
Pratima Pradhan. Pratima, you are a student of agricultural agrometeorology.
Yes.
Okay. Agrometeorology has a deep connection with climate change. Whenever a student of agrometeorology is there, everybody question you on climate change. Okay. How it is related? What you read about climate change in agrometeorology? Climate change is कौन पढ़ा था?
Sir, climate change means change in the prolonged period of weather condition which is prevailing for many years, but due to external factor like deforestation. External factors like deforestation and other human activity, the climate change occurs due to different parameters.
एग्रोमेट्रोलॉजी तवर कोर्स पीजी रो डिफरेंट कोर्सेस अछि एग्रोमेट्रोलॉजी ऊपर ता भीतर अछि गुटे क्लाइमेट चेंज अछि पढ़ा पढ़ी होवार
सर
वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट
हां सर अच्छी
आता कौन से पढ़ा था कौन
क्लाइमेट पैरामीटर गुडी को
वेदर पैरामीटर्स केमती क्लाइमेट
चेंज होती ता विषय रे स्टडी करा हुआ
व्हाट इज क्लाइमेटिक वेरिएबिलिटी
सर ओडिया रे कोई परिस
What is climatic variability?
Variable in different climatic parameters like temperature, rainfall for a short period of time.
Abnormal variability.
गार्डनिंग इज
Why these parameters are called value? Why they are called value?
Because they are not constant for a certain period of time. They are varying for with
They are
time.
dynamic in nature.
Dynamic in nature.
No.
Yes. Sir.
They are that. Because they are dynamic, they are variable. Are they being constant?
Sir.
कौन है क्या? यदि constant रहता है सब variable गुड़ा constant रहता है तो कौन है क्या?
सर जदि कांस्टेंट रहता ताले डिफरेंट सीजन गुडी को हमें फील कर पन थांतु क्रॉप्स
এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন আসিব এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন ওর পছরে দরকার আর রুটিন কোশ্চেন কোন লাভ আছে আমি কইলে ভাই ডাইনামিক কনস্ট্যান্ট रहता है कौन है अब कौन सा सीजन फील कर ना
Only one season.
हां वन सीजन तो এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন में सबले रिफ्लेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है तो बुझलो ना
यस
सर पता
What do you mean by automatic weather station?
सर जोठी कि सबु इंस्ट्रूमेंट गुडा गोटे स्टेशन रे ही रहउची ता द्वारा ऑटोमेटिकली विदाउट द ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस डाटा गुडी को कलेक्ट हेता छु वेदर रो
Collection of all weather data
यस सर
from the instruments
Instruments.
which have been established in a particular location without using human
इंटरफेरेंस यस सर
collect automatic weather station.
यस
What is its relevance in the present context of water management?
सर सेटा डायरेक्टली डाटा गुडी को स्टेशन को मतलब विदाउट ह्यूमन
Because you want to plant certain crops, certain cropping pattern in watershed area. How these are helpful? How these weather parameters are helpful going for quality planting?
सर
Some crops are grown in summer season, some crops are grown in winter season, some crops are grown in normal season, just like in Kharif.
Yes, sir. Sir, ସବୁ
These are the crops, some crops are grown in winter, it cannot be grown in Kharif.
yes, sir.
If you grow, we cannot get that much of profit, we cannot get that much of products. Many problems are there. I don't know, how come for
କ'ଣ ଥେସିସ୍ କାହା କରୁଛ
Sir, thesis ର topic ଟା decide
ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇନି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ହେଇନି
ନା
Acha, can you tell what are the sustainable development goals of the UN? How many sustainable development goals are there in UN?
agroforestry
ମେଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜି
and mixed farming.
ବହୁତ ମେଟ୍ରୋ କଲେଜ
Because priority is given to the agriculture and environment.
Yes, sir.
What are those listed 17 goals in the United Nations?
ୟୁଏନ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ୟୁଏନ୍ ମୋତେ ୟୁଏନ୍ ଶୁଣୁଛି କେତେଟା ଗୋଲ୍ ଅଛି ଜାଣିଛ 17 ସଷ୍ଟେନେବଲ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଲ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଦେୟାର
17.
17
Which is the first one?
ଜାଣିଛ
No, sir.
ଏଇଟା ସିଭିଲ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ପଚାରିଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ଦିଜ୍ ଆର୍
Zero hunger, zero
ଜିରୋ ତମର କେବେ ଅଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ
No, re.
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 16ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ସେଲିବ୍ରେସନ୍ ହୁଏ
Every
ଏଭ୍ରି ଇୟର୍ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ନାଁ କ'ଣ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଫୁଡ୍ ଡେ ବିଶ୍ୱ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦିବସ ବଢ଼ିକି ଯିବ ତମେ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଏତେ ସ୍ଲୋରେ ଆନ୍ସର୍ କରୁଛ ତମକୁ ପଚାରିବେନି କହିବେ ତୁମେ ପଳା ଆଉ ତମେ ତ ଆନ୍ସର୍ କଲ ବସିଛୁ ଚୁପଚାପ କହୁ ରହିଯାଉଛ ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ
Sir,
ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ବସି ପଡ଼ୁଛ କହିବ ନା ତୁମେ
Sir.
ମେଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜିର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ
again.
କ୍ଲାଉଡ ବର୍ଷ୍ଟିଂ
Cloud bursts are intensive rainfall that is occurring. Intense rainfall occurring in a for a short period of time in a related to small area.
ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ଟା କେତେ
Sir,
100
100 centimeter,
ନା
more than 100 centimeter or 100 centimeter.
How it is
100 per hour.
Yes, sir, per hour.
how it is occurs? How it is occurs?
Sir, due to orographic phenomenon, the cloud burst may be the main reason of.
ବୋର୍ଡ଼ରେ ଯଦି
Cloud.
ଯଦି ଅନୁକୂଳ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ମେମ୍ବର ଥିବ ଏଇ ଯେ ଆମେ ସେଟାକୁ ଦେଇଦେବ
How it develops?
How cloud bursting is developed.
Develops.
Sir,
There is some technology, some process. There is quick condensation, water.
yes, sir,
High
condensation,
moisture,
high moisture.
quick condensation.
Yes, sir.
That is the start.
Yes, sir.
Temperature ବଢିଛି ବାୟୁମଣ୍ଡଳରେ ବଢୁଛି ନା
Yeah.
ହାଇ moisture ଲାଇନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
Yes, sir, high
ତାପରେ
moisture.
ଯଦି ହାଇ altitude ଗଲା
Yes.
mostly cloud bursts are seen in where?
Sir,
Where seen?
high mountainous area, high hilly
Is it
areas.
seen in the coastal plains?
No, sir.
Why?
Evaporation that occurring in sea surface that will
Evaporation.
sea.
Cooling hବ ନା sudden cooling hବ କି?
Yes, sir.
Plane sudden cooling hବ.
For
High altitude ରେ sudden cooling ହେଇଗଲା.
low
Coastal
altitude
area
को
वाला
जाए.
ये vapor sudden cooling ହେଇଗଲା.
Yes, sir. Low altitude को जाएगी सर.
Climatology ରେ ଆମର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଜାଣିଛ ତମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟର ପ୍ରଥମ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ କିଏ? Who is the first man in the department of climatology?
Sir, L.R. Ramdas. L.A. Ramdas.
ଏ
L.A. Ramdas.
ନା
କର
ପ୍ରଦୀପ କର ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର କର
ଇସି କର
ଋଷି କର
He was the first man and he was the gold medalist in his time. ଯେତେବେଳେ climatology ନୂଆ ସାଇନ୍ସ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହ ଗୋଟେ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଲିଲା କି ନା
ସେ ଏକୋନମିରେ ପଢ଼ଉଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟା ପଢ଼ଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
What is occluded front? Occluded front. Occluded. OCCLUDED. What is occluded front?
मैंने बोलना.
The region the front of where warm air mixes with cold air.
Yes.
ତମର ଏଗ୍ରୋମେଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜି ପାଠ ଗୁଡ଼ା
Warm air mixes with cold air.
ଆଉ କ'ଣ ପଚାର ସେ ତ କହିପାରିଲାନି
What is GCM?
ଜି
GCM. The climate model, global circulation model.
Yes, sir. Global circulation model.
What is it used?
ସେ ଯିଏ ଥିବ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଲୋକ ଥିବ ସେ ଥିବ ପଚାରିବ ତମ କ୍ଲାଇମେଟ
What is it used? How it is beneficial for climatic
Um,
Forecast.
sir, it is.
in climate forecasting? How GCM helps?
Mm, the GCM help in.
Weather forecasting and climate forecasting.
Yes, sir. It zone the globe into 3 different climatic zone.
ହେଲେ ଟିକେ ଭଲେ ପଡ଼ିଏ ତ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ସଲିଡ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କରିବ
ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଏଲିନୋ ଆମେ ଲାଇନୋ
ଲାନିନା
ସେଇଟା କହିଲ
El Nino.
ଏବୁଚରି
Yes.
ଏଲିନୋ ଲାନିନା
El Nino is the that strengthen the winds that.
ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଥର ଯାଇଥିଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁକୁ ତମକୁ ଯାହା କୁହାହେଇଥିଲା ତମେ କିଛି ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରିନ କିଛି ଡେଭଲପ୍ ଖାଲି କହିଲେ ଏମିତି ହସିଲେ କିଛି ହେବନି କିଛି ହେବନି ତମେ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଏ ଏଲିନୋ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଲାନିନା
ବର୍ଷାଟା ହଉଛି କାହିଁକି ହଉଛି କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଟର ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଚାଲିଛି
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରେନ୍ଟା ଏଟା କୋଉ ରେନ୍ ହେଉଛି
ଏ ରିଅରଟା କୋଉ ଇୟର
Sir, it post monsoon.
अझै पोस्ट मनसुन त काहे पेन्टी गर्दैन त्यो सक्रिय ହୋଇଛି କୋଉ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର वे ଏଲିନୋ ନା ଲାନିନା
La Nina.
ପଢ଼ିନ ପଢ଼ୁନ କିଛି ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ପଢ଼ିବ ନା ତମ ମେଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜି ପାଠ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଏଲିନୋ ଲାନିନା ଯାହା ସିଏ ପଚାରିଲେ ଅଲ୍ ରିଲେଟ୍ ଟୁ ମେଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜି
how many types of ocean currents there in the world ocean currents
Do you have idea of ocean currents? Have you read? Hot currents, cold currents.
Sir, one point.
ପଢ଼ିକି ଯାଅ ହେଲା
What is the Labrador current? Labrador.
your body language everything is ସବୁ
ମୁଁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫି ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି
ଏଟା ଆଇଛି
ତମର କ୍ଲାଇମେଟୋଲୋଜି ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫି ସହିତ ରିଲେସନ୍ ବହୁତ ରହିଛି ତମେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ହେଲେ ହେବନି ମୋଟେ ହେବନି ତମେ ପୁରା ଡସାଇଲ୍ ବହୁତ ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ହେବ
appearance
ଠିକ୍ ରହୁନି
ଏ ସବୁ
ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ହେଲା କେବେ ଅଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କେବେ ଅଛି
Sir, 9
9 ତାରିଖରେ ଅଛି ଭଲେ ପଢ଼ର ଆଉ
gardening କହିଲ what type of ସବୁ gardening only gardening is divided to
Sir, garden.
gardening
ଆମେ ଲେଖିଛ ଏଠି ତମର ଗାର୍ଡେନିଂ
Sir,
କ'ଣ ସେ
gardening.
କ'ଣ କର ତମେ
Sir, kitchen gardening.
କିଚେନ୍ ଗାର୍ଡେନିଂ ଲେଖିଲନି ଖାଲି ଗାର୍ଡେନିଂ କାହିଁ ଲେଖିଛ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଭୁଲ କରିବ କାନ୍ଦି ବସି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ
what is kitchen garden
कौन सा
what is kitchen garden why it is called kitchen garden
Sir, it home purpose ପାଇଁ କରା ହୁଏ mostly backward of the home or frontier
what
of
is
the
the
home.
objective
For fresh vegetables.
fresh
Fresh and
and organic
organic. Yes.
ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଔଷଧ ପକେଇ କେମିକାଲ ସ୍ପ୍ରେ କରିକି ଖାଇବୁନି ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି objective
15 ମିନିଟ୍ ହେଲାଣି ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
daily nutrition requirements.
Yes. Sir.
अच्छा, what are the components of the kitchen garden? Kitchen garden कौन कौन रहेगा? What are the minimum necessity for kitchen garden? Which plants should be planted? Just
minimum মানে
हाँ.
most necessary which plants are planted in kitchen garden कौन दरकार
ପଢ଼ିକି ଯାଅ ତମେ ଯଦି କିଚେନ୍ ଗାର୍ଡେନ୍ ଲେଖିଛ କିଚେନ୍ ଗାର୍ଡେନ୍ ଉପରେ ପଢ଼ିକି ଯିବ କିଛି ତ ଜାଣିନ ଲେଖୁଛ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେନି ମୋର କିଛି ହବି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ଏଟା ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ଜିନିଷ
There should be banana plant, there should be papaya plant. there
Drum
should
stick
be
ଲଗେଇବ
drum stick. हाँ.
ପୁସୁଙ୍ଗା
ଲାଗିବ ପୁଦିନା ଟିକେ ଲାଗିଥିବ
ଆଉ ତ ଜାଣିନ କାହିଁ ଲେଖିବ କହୁଛ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ପୁରା ଲେଖିଲେ ବିପଦ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା କିଛି ନ ଲେଖିବ ବର କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ଲେଖିଲା ମାନେ ପଢ଼ିବ
ଆଉ chili brinjal ଥିବ.
ଲେଟେଷ୍ଟ ବୁକ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦି ବେଷ୍ଟ ପଢ଼ାପଢ଼ି କର
ଠିକ ଅଛି ତମେ ଆଠ ବି ଭଲ ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଦଉଥିଲା ଆଶା କରୁଛି ନା
नहीं नहीं prepare ही है.
Ninth October. 9th October.
ବହୁତ ପଢ଼ାପଢ଼ି କର ହେଲା
you belong to which
ଅନୁଗୁଳ
Sir, Kandhamal district.
Huh?
Kandhamal district.
huh?
Kandhamal
Kandhamal.
district.
Kandhamal
Again.
Kandhamal is has a international name Bhutan for what
Sir, GI tag for
for
Kandhamal.
GI tag GI football court
geographical indication.
Huh?
Geographical indication.
ठीक अच्छे प्रतिभा ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल द बेस्ट
All the best.
पढ़ा पढ़ी करा
Yes, sir.